Even though we had some downpours in parts of Texoma this week, hopefully we'll have more. Wichita Falls lakes are still on a slow decline.
Lake Arrowhead actually rose 0.1% to 92.2% full. It has lost about 0.5% of its water in a week, but less than 10% over the summer months. However, Lake Kickapoo fell another 0.2 since yesterday and is just under 91% capacity. It was 100% in mid-July, and the water level is now around 18 inches below the spillway. Around Texoma, other lakes remain in pretty good shape as the summer draws to a close. Amon Carter outside of Bowie has come back up to 100% full today after falling to about 96% about a week ago. Other than the recent decline, it's been at 100% since last fall. Lake Graham is now at about 93% and Possum Kingdom is at 98%.